Hey folks, if you've ever noticed your grinding wheel just not cutting like it used to, you're probably dealing with a dull, glazed, or uneven surface. Dressing your grinding wheel is the secret to bringing it back to life, and honestly, it's way easier than most people think. Let me walk you through 3 super simple methods that'll keep your grinder running like new. First up, the Star Wheel Dresser. This tool looks like something out of a steampunk movie. Little hardened wheels spinning on an axle. With your grinder running, gently press the Star Wheel Dresser against the wheel's face. You'll hear it chip away those dull grains, exposing fresh, sharp grit. Just keep it moving across the wheel for an even finish. Second method, the Diamond Dresser. If you want real precision and a razor-sharp edge, this is the way to go. Hold the diamond tool steady on the tool rest and angle it slightly into the rotation. Take it slow. Light, even passes across the wheel make all the difference. The result? A beautifully clean and sharp grinding surface. Last but not least, the dressing stick. This one's perfect for quick touch-ups. Just grab an abrasive stick like silicon carbide and press it gently against the spinning wheel. Move it back and forth. Bam, you've knocked off that glaze and minor imperfections in seconds. No matter which method you use, always throw on those safety glasses and ear protection. A sharp wheel isn't just safer, it makes your grinding way smoother and more precise. So there you have it. 3 easy ways to dress your grinding wheel and keep your shop running sharp. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments.